The following occupational qualification is developed by the QCTO in partnership with industry for industry and is offered by accredited skills development providers. Each occupational qualification has 3 components: theory, practical, and work-based experience. This is to ensure that learners are ready and prepared to enter the workplace. This video looks at the occupational qualification of a tax technician.
Taxes are levied in almost every country of the world, primarily to raise revenue for government expenditures. This revenue is commonly used to support healthcare, safety and security, housing, roads, railways, communications, and other state responsibilities. A tax technician is able to provide tax compliance services by preparing and submitting tax returns, reviewing completed tax records, and verifying and availing source documents. Furthermore, to provide advice and help organizations identify areas for tax efficiency. This service has become increasingly important in South Africa due to complex tax legislation and administrative processes. The modern-day tax industry offers plenty of exciting and innovative career opportunities which can be described as intellectually rewarding, problem-solving, and a professionally challenging occupation. Tax is one of those unavoidable facts of life. It affects everyone, so there will always be a need for tax professionals regardless of the state of the economy.
I'm an entrepreneur and a tax technician. I work in the telecommunication, IT, transport and financial industries. I'm also the director of Ruan Consulting, where we attend to all our clients' accounting and taxation needs. I've also been a tax technician for 5 years. As a tax technician, there are a wide range of services you can offer your clients. Either the accounting of various sectors and the taxation from individuals, companies and trusts. I specialize also in the fiduciary services industry, where we do offer our clients estate planning, accounting and taxation. My responsibilities are to plan and prepare the taxation effects of certain transactions, file the taxes, compile monthly and annual management statements for the clients. We also ensure that all our clients are compliant with SARS and their controlling bodies. I'm involved in the setup of startup companies and ensure they get off the ground, assisting the new directors and owners in the creating of automatic systems so they can do their business more efficiently. I love helping out the clients right from the start. I also assist the clients in efficient tax planning on a regular basis. Projects I'm involved in is helping out people who lost their jobs or income with their SARS queries on a pro bono basis. To be a tax practitioner, you need to obtain a BCom financial or accounting degree at any university. Apply with the South African Institute of Tax Practitioners and SARS to get your practice number. From a skill set point of view, you will need to be a focused individual who can perform your duties under severe pressure and be able to work long hours, as your income is dependent on how many hours you spend on each client. The ability to think outside the box is also key. Reading and interpretation is also a skill set you need to have, as you need to read new and/or amended legislation as well as court cases. You also need to stay up to date with current affairs inside and outside of South Africa. Communication with clients is also key to be successful. Clients need to know where they stand at any given time. It is difficult to be on the top of the communication in this field, as you don't always have the straight answers. But at the end of the day, honesty and loyalty goes hand in hand with the communication. As most of the industry is cloud driven, you need to have a PC or laptop and a good internet connection. Most information is available online, so you can obtain the law, court cases and other relevant information via SARS and other websites. Email communication is also key to obtain and gather information from your clients. I do work with SARS, accountants, auditors and directors of various companies. At SARS we engage with multiple individuals, which varies from data capturers to the auditors. We assist to obtain tax clearances from SARS for our clients and to engage in arrangements. We also work with different accountants, auditors, as most of them specialize in a certain field. We obtain and collaborate on what the client needs are and to ensure the client is taken care of. What makes me happy in my field is the ability to assist my clients. As the taxation field is so complex, the client needs to have an expert. As the tax field is always changing, the challenging part is to stay up to date with new and amended legislation. To balance your heavy workload together with staying up to date is very tricky. Your client expects results, but at the same time he expects to be the correct results. Your clients also can be challenging as they do not consider all the tax implications before doing a transaction. You also have to work with SARS. As you don't have a dedicated account manager, it is really challenging to engage with them. You need to go through a contact center and to make appointments with SARS. The most interesting part of my career is the people I engage with. Each client or potential client is different, with a different background and a different end goal in mind. I try to engage with all my clients on a professional and personal level just to see where they started out and where they're heading, and to remind them where they started out. In your community, people will always come to you first for assistance, for whatever problem, opportunity they might have. It can be a tax, accounting, legal or business problem, also because you work with attorneys, auditors and various types of professionals. So they will ask who you trust to get the problem sorted. You can handle multiple clients at the same time, due to the different circumstances of each client. So financially, you can do quite well if you get a couple of recurring clients and a lot of ad hoc clients. Of course, as a tax practitioner, you can work in a corporation for government like SARS, or you can specialize in a specific type of tax field. You can also teach, and you can always open up your own practice. My passion was always finances, whether it is accounting, taxation or planning. I love working with numbers and the complexity of the law. I love what I do on a daily basis. I work over weekends and public holidays as this is my passion. However, there needs to be a balance in life. I believe in work hard and play hard. Therefore, if you love what you do and follow your passion, you will reap the rewards. I think it's very important for each individual or company to have a tax technician at hand. This is to ensure you're not overpaying your taxes and to ensure you're compliant. I also think it's important to give back to the community. I have the ability to change people's lives by assisting them with my knowledge and my experience.
For more information about this qualification, log on to www.qcto.org.za. Inquire at info@qcto.org.za. Call us on 012-003-1800 or view our Facebook QCTO page. This video is brought to you by the QCTO's Marketing and Communication Unit.